Wondershare has recently launched Filmora 14.7 in which they have introduced a lot of new exciting features. So in this video we are going to try some of the most exciting features of Filmora 14.7. So let's get straight to the video. So before starting the video, if you have not downloaded the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14, then do check out the description below to download the latest version of Wondershare Filmora. Also please do like and subscribe to our channel to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly on Filmora 14. So the first feature in this list is called Smart Background Music Generation. So this tool is available in the Audio tab, and under the Audio tab here is the AI Music tool. Now you have to select your own mood, your theme and your genre. Now simply click generate. It will take some time according to your preference. After some time your music is ready to use. So the next feature of Wondershare Filmora 14 is called AI Voice Enhancer. If you double click on your video and go to the Audio tab, and under the Audio tab here is the AI Voice Enhancer. If you just turn on the tool, here is the option of the voice clarity, voice beautification. You can adjust according to your preference. This tool is really helpful if you want to automatically edit your audio without any hassle. So the next crazy feature of Wondershare Filmora 14 is called Multicam editing. Now you can easily edit your multicam videos or podcasts using Filmora 14. You just need to select your footages, right click on the footages. Here is the option of create multicam clip. Now just click on that, and here you have to choose some options. Now simply click on OK. It will take some time according to your footage. So the next feature of Filmora 14 is called video denoise. If your video is not recorded in the high quality and you are seeing many kind of noise in your video, then this tool is really helpful, because by using this tool you can easily remove the noise from your video. Double click on your footage, go to video tab, go to AI tools, and under the AI tool you have the option of video denoise. Now simply activate the tool. So as I have activated the tool, this tool automatically removed the noise from my video. Under the video denoise you can also adjust the smoothness of your video. So the next tool is called Planar tracking tool. This tool is really helpful if you want to place your advertisement on any kind of billboard. To access this tool, double click on your footage, go to AI tools, and under the AI tools you have the option of Planar tracking. Just simply activate the tool, click on auto setting, adjust the rectangle according to your billboard. By the way, I also have made a dedicated video on Planar tracker tool. You can also check this out. Now just click on start button. So this tool is really helpful if you don't want to spend any kind of money on the expensive advertisement and put your advertisements on any kind of billboards. Next feature of Filmora 14 is called AI sound effect. To access this feature, simply go to the Audio tab, and under the Audio tab here is the AI sound effect. Now in the text bar, just give the command according to your need. Simply click on generate button. It will take some time according to your command. Our AI tool has just generated over 3 sound effects. Now let's check out the sound effect quality. I will play the second one. So I think so the second one is the most useful. I just simply click on the download button. It will take some time to download my sound effect. Then I can simply use the sound effect in my any kind of video without hassle of copyright issue. The next tool is called the AI face mosaic tool. This tool is really helpful if you want to blur out any kind of your face in your vlogs or live videos. Access this tool, simply go to the effects tab, and under the effects tab you have the option of body effects. In the body effects you have the option of face mosaic. There are many kind of blurs that you can use in your videos. The last but not the least feature of Filmora 14 is called AI color palette. This tool is really helpful if you want to just copy and paste of any kind of series, movies or Hollywood style color in your video. Simply double click on your footage, go to the color tab, and under the color tab here is the AI color palette tool. Simply activate the tool, go to the local file, just simply drag and drop your image or video. Now select your desired frame of your video like this. So I just choose this one. Now simply click on generate. So after that you can easily adjust the strength and perfect the skin tone according to your preference. Now here I have just tried AI color palette tool on my video. Here is the before, this is before, and these are the colors that I have applied on my video after using AI color palette tool. So please do let me know in the comments below which is your favorite feature of Filmora 14. Also, if you have not downloaded the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14, then do please check out the description below to download the latest version of Filmora 14. Also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.